welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan. My name is Rose and today is part 2 of my go-to vegan lazy recipes video. Go-to cheap lazy vegan recipes video. So this is basically an entire day of eating, an example of an entire day of eating for you guys if you are looking for some very quick and easy and affordable vegan recipes. So these are some of my go-to meals, things that I like to eat on a regular basis. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. I've already done part 1 of this, so if you haven't seen that, then don't forget to go and check that out. I'll leave a link to that down below. So without further ado, let's get on with the recipes. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these recipes or meals. If you haven't seen part 1, like I said, don't forget to check that out. And if you're new to this channel, of course, don't forget to subscribe because I do tons of videos like this, lots of very easy and lazy and of course cheap vegan recipes. So if you like that sort of thing, of course, subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!